Hi, I'm Alyssa. Welcome to this YouTube video and YouTube channel. I did this makeup thing, so if you want to see how I did it, then keep watching. But if not, then don't. It's fine. Jump scare warning. Okay, yeah, okay. I'm leaving. I am showing you this. Okay, so I started off with a primer and I only put it on about half of my face because that's the only place where we're doing the skull makeup. Then I used this just regular gel black eyeliner and carved out the outline. All I'm doing is I'm cutting my face in half, but I'm using U's to cut it so that it doesn't just look like a straight line, you know? And then at the top of my nose, I'm carving out a V. And then I'm just following the natural shapes of my cheekbones and curving it down to the corners of my lips. And I do that on both sides. After that, I just outline the bottom half of my jaw by following the bones. You can kind of feel it if you put your hands there, but that's all I did. And then I finished my nose. Not finished. I started finishing my nose by adding the blank space. I don't know what that's called. That hole in the skeleton's nose. I'm now going in with this white face paint that I got at the Halloween store. It was like $3, so yeah. But I'm just filling in where the bones would be, basically. I did it with a beauty blender so that it blends out very smoothly, like a bone. Wow. Really just keep blending. I don't know what happened there. Okay, but cover that up. Yeah. And then I went in with a smaller brush to get in closer with the white spots on my nose. That's about it. And then make sure to blend that out in the end. I'm about to show you this old ass contour kit. Okay. And then the white face paint didn't really cover that much, so I just went in with the lightest shade in the palette, which is what I usually use. This was my first time doing it with the white face paint. So yes. I am now going to go back to that black gel liner and with a bigger brush put it on, and I tried to cover up my nose more. I don't think I ended up getting all the spots, which really bugs me. Okay, and then I go in with an eyeliner brush and just extend the lines of my lips. And for my teeth, all I really did was I kind of opened my mouth a little bit so I could see where my actual teeth are, and then I mimicked the placement of that. So I did that for the top and the bottom of my teeth for the front part of the teeth. What? Yeah, that's words. Okay. Also, to give the teeth more dimension, I like to kind of slant the lines on the top after it passes my lips, if that makes sense. So it kind of goes diagonal, just slightly, just so it has more dimension, you know? Yeah. Okay. Moving on to the other teeth, I kind of just tried to carve out rectangle shapes, but I like to make them different shapes for each one because it looks kind of more realistic. Maybe not realistic, but I like how it looks more than if it was just the same rectangle. I also like making the ones more towards the back smaller, just so it looks more 3D. Just to make filling it in easier, I'm going back in the black and making everything darker, and also outlining the outside so that it's thicker and easier to fill in. And now all I'm doing is just filling in all the blank space, but I'm using a bigger brush so that it's easier, you know? Cool. Yep. Okay, this is my favorite part, but all I do is I take a small blending brush and dip it back in the eyeliner, shade in the inner part of my mouth. To make the teeth look more realistic, I like to shade in upside down triangle shapes on the top and on the bottom, obviously. But you just keep shading and blending and hopefully it turns out alright. Now I'm just going in with the same white paint and then a small angled brush to fill in the other teeth. And then I also go over the teeth that I just shaded in, just so it doesn't look as dusty, you know. Now taking a fluffy brush, I am using some kind of dark brown and just shading in the sides, just so it looks more 3D. That's like my third time saying that, but you know, it's cool. Just keep shading. I also do around the cheeks and the jaw more. Going back again with that same angled brush and that same white paint, I am going over the outline more just so it brings out more brightness, and then eventually I'm going to go back in with a beauty blender and just make sure everything's smooth. Okay, yeah, and there's the beauty blender. Great. Oh yeah, I decided I needed a jawline, so I just did that. If you want, you should dust over it with the black eyeshadow so that it stays. Why did I shade it in there? Did I even... That's not gonna blend, whatever. But yeah, if you want to set it, I think I'm gonna set it soon. Yep. Nope. Back with the beauty blender. And the mirror is covering it. Good job. Okay, powder. Okay. Yeah, just dust it on. I guess it's in my hair. Blow that. Okay. Enjoy the change in sound quality. Yep. I stopped recording because my camera was gonna die. But I just did my eyes off camera. Any eye look would look good with this. I feel like natural would even be fine. I just like doing my eyes after something. Here's the look of the skeleton makeup. Thanks for watching this video and for listening to my very bored, tired voice. Nah, I don't look crazy. I'm wearing skull makeup. Of course I look crazy. Is the mic on?